Hey guys, welcome. Today's Tuesday. This is Mr. Whitaker again, coming from my classroom, as you can see behind me. Oh, how do I go here? There's Steve the skeleton. So I'm continuing my series of videos. So again, that way people who are in person or remote don't have to deal with this nonsense, right? This mask stuff. I mean, it is important to wear a mask though to keep everybody safe. But yeah, I just thought this might be a little bit easier for you guys to get the directions. So welcome to Tuesday. So I'll just get right into it, get started. Let me share my screen here, and I'm showing you Core 1 again. I don't know, I always have Core 1 ready first, so just wanted to get that going for you guys. So let me click on the purple folder, which is the warm-ups. So good to see everybody, by the way, too. Had a successful day here on Monday. I'm still Monday for me today, but it's been successful so far, and it's different. It's kind of weird, but I'm glad we're getting a little closer to something sort of normal. It's good to be somewhere else besides my office, too, at home. But good to see everybody who's remote as well. So you kind of scroll down and get to our warm up for today, which is Tuesday, March 30th. Well, here's a good one. I'm curious to find out what you guys think of this, but would you donate your body to science when you pass away? Okay, don't worry, you'll be deceased, but would you donate your body if it's going to help out science? Why or why not? I don't know. Personally, this is my opinion, but once I'm passed on, I don't really care what happens to my body. I mean, I'm not really going to be around to care about it. So they can do whatever, and it would be kind of cool to if it can help out science in any way, shape, or form. I think that would be fine. But yeah, I mean, it's really up to you guys. So it's your opinion. So if you guys want to pause this video, go ahead and pause now. Okay, I'm just going to keep going because I assumed at some point you unpaused, but pausing the video so you guys can go ahead and fill in your comments down here. So make sure that you guys get that done. So good job yesterday getting that done. So welcome hybrid students. That's all you guys. Welcome to the in-school people, the students who are not here right now, but they're usually here. Welcome to the remote students, who are you guys at home. And then so yeah, today we'll complete Tuesday's warm-up. If there's any work you got to finish up from yesterday, remember there was a little assessment, which was pretty easy. I wanted to give you guys like a quick, easy thing. I know Core 1, I forgot to disable it, I think. So, oops. Sorry, I made that mistake before. I can't believe I made it again, but it's good now. So maybe you guys still have to do that. There's still a game there if you guys want to play. But today I want to start a simulation. It's one we've looked at before. And it's going to just get, but this, when we go through this time, it's going to give us more detail about the properties of waves and how they eventually will get into light waves, sound waves. I think we'll do sound waves first, but sound waves, light waves, and then there's all kinds of waves on a spectrum called the electromagnetic spectrum. So to get to the simulation, you click here where it says waves on a string, and that'll click you to a new tab, which should have it. And you guys remember playing around with that. I don't know if you guys need to take any time doing that because you probably already played around with this before. But it's also right here. I mean, everything's doable right here. And then you're going to find that document linked as a Schoology assignment. So if you want, I can guide you through here once I'm done with this video, and I can guide through the class through. I just want to make sure you guys are done with your warm-up. And so it might be a few minutes, but if you prefer to kind of venture off on your own, I mean, feel free to do so, but don't be afraid to ask questions. Even if I'm in the middle of something else, don't be afraid to ask me questions. So let me just kind of show you real quick where you can find that assignment, and then I'll have you guys be on your way. So I mean, I'm hoping these videos are pretty quick like this one. And so it'll probably, I don't have it open right now, but it'll probably show up over here on the right. It's hidden right now, so I don't have it published, but when you go to the science assignments, it'll be at the top. This was yesterday's thing. It says due Thursday, April 1st. I hope we can make that goal. If not, I mean, I can certainly change things. If you remember, we do have Friday off for Good Friday is Easter this weekend. So we'll click on this, and yeah, I mean, it has the link to the simulation. You can play around with the simulation here, but scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see this as a Google slideshow, which once you get that, it should look something like this. And it's really kind of obnoxious being that small. So this was given to me by another teacher. At first I wasn't sure if we could do this. I wasn't a big fan, but I realized you can go up here to View and go to Zoom. And you'll probably want to go to what? 200% was too much, sorry. I forgot. I guess we want to go to 100%. I'm not sure why it was not there to begin with, but now this is a lot better, okay? So you start off, there's the website. It looks a little different, but I mean, that'll get you to the same place. And just kind of go through the directions, and I'll go through it with you. This actually gives us some terms over here, because at some point we want to drag those over. And yeah, then it gives us all the other directions to do here. A couple things at the bottom, some cool pictures here few things here. So yeah, I mean, it shouldn't take us too long. So we'll give us a kind of a goal of 2 days, but we'll see how it goes. All right, well, there's our directions. Feel free to pause the video at any time. Feel free to rewind and go back. Feel free to ask the teacher, whether you're remote or you're in here in the classroom. But good luck to you guys. Do your best. Be safe. Be awesome. All right. Happy Tuesday. Bye-bye.